Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show. You just never know what you're going to get on Shortwave. Haven't totally confirmed this, but I think this is the voice of Nigeria, broadcasting from Nigeria. And if I go over to short-wave.info, put in 11770, there it is, right there in the listing. And there it shows it right there. And it's 3:48 p.m. here in Clearwater, Florida. And I've been getting some unusual reception on shortwave. So let's go back. I'm using, where to go? I'm using SDR Uno, my RSP Duo, and my G5 RV antenna. It's very, very overcast right now. I don't know if that has something to do with it or not. And then there's a couple other big signals around here. Let me let's just move over to this one. Turn the audio back on. It's there. And that says remute. I'm using the Fran plugin that gives you these not notifications, just information about what is on that particular frequency. And this one says radio, I don't know. It says whatever that says. And we can put in the frequency 11780 over here. Come back up here, 11. Whoops, wrong keyboard. Oh, jeez. 80. And it finds, it finds down in South America. And you can see right now it's got 3 bars indicating that I should be able to receive it. So let's go back there. If I can find it again. And we'll unmute it. It sounds Spanish, or Portuguese, what I say. Portuguese, I don't know. And I saw another one. Let me zoom back in. Yeah, this is another strong signal. Very clear. And that says Radio Saudi. And again, I verified it on short-wave.info. And if we zoom in some more, see what else we can find. See, there's a bunch of signals here. Holy cow. There's Radio Martini. And we'll unmute it. A little noisy. Try this one. Maybe I just kind of go up here. We're in this range of 11 megahertz. And it's, like I say, it's 3:51 in the afternoon, which is when this part of the band opens up from 9 to 12 megahertz. And we can go up, let's see, let's jump up here. There's another signal there. It's strong, but it's not in the database from Fran. It's a strong signal though. I'm going to hit the button on that one. No. Let's go down. There we go. Let me mute for a second here until I can find something. That's a pretty strong signal there. Let me listen. Yeah. That sounds like. I'm gonna let you listen for a while.
Aujourd'hui sur le Manga Café.
That sounds Japanese. Let me see what this is. 9.855. So let's go here. Put in 9.855. Hit, and it's Japan. Wow. And it shows the transmitters right over here. Not in Japan, but it is over here, which is a long ways away. So I seem to be getting stations in this area right here. Conditions look like they're just like perfect. Let's go back and listen some more. I'm excited. I don't know about you guys, but I'm excited. That's the biggest one right there. There's another one that's pretty big. Let's try this little one right here. See what's there. Noise. Okay, we'll stay away from that one. Let's go down a little further. Ooh, there's a biggie. Oh, it's Radio Martini again. They're all over the band.
Muy buenas tardes.
Yeah. That's probably one close by.
Los números 1 del momento. Entérese cuáles son los éxitos más populares de la semana.
En la cima de las 100 calientes de Billboard encontramos Driver's License, licencia de conducir.
Let's look up that frequency.
Y actriz Olivia.
9565. 95. Where's my? Here it is. 9565. 9565. Enter. And there it is. Radio Martini, United States, up there in the Northeast. And then there's a couple other ones. Don't think I'm getting those because that was really strong. So I think it's this one right here, Radio Martini. This, wow. I just happened to, it's overcast, rainy, and cold. So I thought, well, let me just listen to the radio for a while. And I'm getting a good, look at the size of that signal. And the noise level is way down. See that? There's all these little signals popping up. Probably can't get anything. Let's just try that one right there. Let's see. Unmute. No. For the heck of it. Stand by. I got a new radio here. I'm not going to tell you what it is. It's a brand new radio. I got it yesterday. But it includes shortwave. And it's got a tiny telescopic antenna. Oh boy, is it tiny. It's about a foot. And let's turn it on. And let's go to shortwave. And where's Radio Martini? I lost it. Where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. This biggie right here. 9565. Okay. That's shortwave. Well, I'm getting a lot of station on it. I don't know if you can hear this or not. Kind of sensitive, hard to tune. It's got a very small dial. Again, I'll show it to you in a couple of days. Yeah, it's really hard to tune. Nah, I give up. It's an emergency radio where they threw in a shortwave band. It doesn't seem to be very good. That's it. I can't believe it. I don't know if it's just unique to my area down here in Clearwater, Florida, because like I say, we do have a pretty, yeah, it's really cloudy. And of course, this storm is really bad up in the northeast New York and up there. So if you're shut in, you might try your shortwave radio and see if what you can hear. Get some of these big signals here. There's a big signal that's not got a designated station on it. Okay, that's it. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up and have a great day. Bye-bye.